Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. So everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Make sure you get out there and vote. You are what you believe you are. Humans are powerful magicians. You have the power to make yourself what you are right now, but it's not your reasoning mind that controls your power. It's what you believe. It's no doubt, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials finish up 173. You had the NASDAQ up 47. S&P's up 19. That is 0.6%, almost 7 in the Dow, as well as the NASDAQ. 0.4% in the S&Ps. Gold contract down $4.50, trading at $12.77 an ounce. We have silver down 12 cents, $14.52 an ounce. Light sweet crude got smacked. That's down 90 cents, $62.20 a barrel. And if we go over and we take a look at the light sweet crude market, folks, you're going to see you barrel down, you broke out the low, you have the volume behind the move, you've done 728,000 contracts. Broke out this consolidation. The bottom of this consolidation was $62.32, and you basically took it away. That says to me that the next stop inside this crude market will get you down into about the $58 area. If we pull this back a little, what you're going to see is that that's kind of your next level that's laying here. Now, this is a decisive break. You know, we've been trading it at this level going all the way back to March of 2018. That's a good break. Your next swing down is $58. Now, what this also sets up, now this is what's going to be cool about this. It sets up that you can actually get down to 54. And the reason is that when we came off the lows in June of 2017, oil went from $42 almost nonstop up to 66. And we just broke these levels. Now, there should be some support at 58. But if you pierce that 58, whoa, baby, it's going to be down there fast and furious. Now, let's go look at the gasoline market, because it looks to me like unleaded gas is actually leading this baby, which is really sweet for all of us. So I'm going to put this on a continuous contract, XB. Let's see, XB1. So we have come down from October 9th. October 9th, we're at 215 unleaded gas. We're at 169. We take this and we put this on a continuous contract. Oh, cool. Okay, I got it. So the number that I was giving you on that oil contract, let me put this up on the other side, because this is pretty cool. So watch this. So CL1. Gasoline's already at this number. The same number that would get us oil at 54 bucks, meaning where oil was trading in 2017, the highs of 2017. Gasoline's already there. Actually, it's lower than that. This is pretty cool. So this is saying unleaded gas wants to get down to like $1.39. And we peaked out at 228. That peak was May of this year. This is a good setup, folks. This is pretty cool. That's going to be a big number. So, notes and bonds, different ball game here. Now, this is going to get tricky in the note and bond market. I don't expect that we're going to see the note and bond market move around tonight with the election. I do expect we're going to see that on Thursday. So the way this is broken down, the S&P futures tonight, the NASDAQ futures, yeah, I expect they're going to be moving up, down, all around. And, you know, it's not a presidential deal. It's not a one-off deal. Futures love to basically move around anyway. In this particular case, I expect they're going to move around as states come in with winners, losers, and all of the above. That being said, my take is that we're still going to go up higher, and we're doing a B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. Now, we're getting close. You know, the Dow Industrials just about got to, well, the Dow Industrials did get to where I'm expecting the S&P to get to. You know, the Dow Industrials, I'm looking at this consolidation, you know, and the day it took out today the 12th of October. That's 25,467. So that puts game into 683. But more than likely, the Dow wants to go right up into a spike high of 25,817. So, yeah, that's going to line up on the downdraft on the other side too. So that being said, that means that the S&P has quite a way to move, which is going to be pretty cool, because if we take a look at the S&P and we do that correlation, and that doesn't mean that it has to go to that point either, because the Dow has been the strongest. That correlation would get us, there we go. Whoops, wrong one. That correlation would get us 27.95, and that's 40 points from where we are. The small caps, they're still the weakest. The IWM, bottom line, up 76 cents. That being said, though, I expect that is going to run up to like the 157. See, this will be one of the most deviant markets out here, and that'll be pretty cool watching how this whole thing shakes out. King dollar still can't hold price. We'll see where this shakes out, but I don't expect King dollar to move around either tonight. That's the Federal Reserve. Thursday, yeah, that's where King dollar is going to be moving. That's where the bonds are going to be moving. That's where the commodities, the metals will be moving. I can't picture the metals moving on this also. They'll all move a little, but the S&Ps and the NASDAQ tonight, I expect they're going to be moving around quite a bit, because they'll just force them also. That's the other side of this. King dollar, longer it stays inside the 96,450, and right now just inside it, the higher the probabilities that you are going to get down into the strength that King dollar hasn't been able to break down on yet, which is the 93,995. That number goes back to Flag Day, which is June 14th. That was when the King dollar had a huge amount of strength. We went from 92,500 to 93,995. It's a big deal. That being said, this is the first time that we actually took out a swing point, had light volume, then came back inside it with big volume. We'll see what happens when we get down into those lower levels. Dow Industrials finished up 173, NASDAQ up 47, S&P's up 19. Stay right there, folks. We got a lot of numbers coming out after the close, but more important, we got our man, Mr. Jason Paff, coming up. He's going to be growling a problem with us. He kicks us off every trading day right here, 8:30 in the morning, morning market kickoff. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.